Alrighty, it is Taco Tuesday and we are making some vegan tacos. So for the carne asada, I am using traditional seitan, and then we are going to marinate it in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you have lime, feel free to use that. Coconut aminos, which is a soy sauce alternative, a tablespoon of that, and a tablespoon of tamari. And I have about 3 minced garlics. So now for the seasonings, I'm using a teaspoon of each. We're going to be seasoning with cumin, smoked paprika, black pepper, Cajun lovers from Flavor God, oregano, garlic lovers also from Flavor God, and ghost pepper. And basically you are going to close the bag, mix it up really well, put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours or overnight ideally. So for the young jackfruit, you're going to pull them apart, kind of like pulled chicken. And we're going to use some jerk paste, 2 tablespoons. Feel free to use 1 because it turned out really spicy. 3 minced garlics. And now for the seasoning, we are using a teaspoon of smoked paprika, Jamaican jerk, ghost pepper, which are both from Flavor of God, a teaspoon of marjoram, allspice, and then garlic lovers, which is also from Flavor of God. Everything spicy also, and then lemon and garlic, and then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Again, if you have lime, use that. Mix it up really well, and then you can feel free to leave it or go ahead and grill it and then assemble as you like. And enjoy.